Hello, dear students. Welcome to online classes. Priyadarshani High School. How are you all, students? Hope you all are fine and safe and doing well at your homes. Now, yes, I am your English teacher here. Today, in English subject, we will learn grammar. Okay, we will learn grammar. Learning grammar, that is degrees of comparison. Before going to degrees of comparison, before knowing what is degrees of comparison, let's recapitulate what is an adjective. Come on, students, tell me what is an adjective. Already I have explained you. Yes, an adjective is a word that qualifies nouns or pronoun. Adjective noun और pronoun के गुण बताता है. Okay, it qualifies the noun and pronoun. See here, look here. She is a tall girl. An apple is red in color. Here, tall and red is what? An adjective. It is qualifying the noun here. Now, degrees of comparison. What is degrees of comparison? An adjective of quality changes its forms when it is used to compare nouns and pronouns with another. It is called the degree of comparison. Okay, when we compare the adjectives, okay, when we compare the adjective with the another noun, when we compare an adjective of a noun or pronoun with the another noun, that is called what? Degree of comparison. Okay, जब हम कोई नाउन या pronoun को दूसरे नाउन या pronoun के adjective से, okay, एक नाउन या pronoun के adjective को दूसरे नाउन या pronoun के adjective से हम compare करते, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Degree of comparison. There are 3 degree of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree, there will be no comparison, and comparative degree compare 2 things, and in superlative degree compares more than 2 things. Let's know in detail here. Okay, first, what is positive degree? The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, place or thing without making any comparison. It is used to describe primary or simple form of an adjectives. Here, this positive degree, it refers to only one person, place, animal or thing. It means it refers only to one noun or pronoun. Okay, it will not compare. It will not compare with another one. Okay, it is a simple form of an adjective. See here, India is as powerful as China. Here, we are just telling that India is as powerful as China. Okay, there is no comparison here. Okay, there is no comparison here because both has same power. Okay, both has same power. India is as powerful as China. It means that both has the same power. दोनों के पास भी उतना ही पावर है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे ये डिग्री में कंपैरिजन नहीं है. ओके, पॉजिटिव डिग्री will not compare. Okay, now next, what is comparative degree? The comparative degree is used to compare 2 things. Comparative degree क्या करता है? 2 थिंग्स को, 2 थिंग्स यानी 2 नाउन्स को, ओके, या प्रनाउन को कंपेयर करता. इट कंपेयर वन नाउन विद द अनदर वन हियर. ओके, इट कंपेयर्स 2 नाउन्स हियर. सी हियर, आयशा इज टॉलर देन हिना. हियर आयशा इज टॉलर देन हिना. वी आर कंपेयरिंग आयशा एंड हिना. ओके, वी आर कंपेयरिंग 2 nouns here. Okay, so taller is comparative degree. Okay, we use than with comparative degree. we use than with comparative degree. Next, let's move to the superlative degree. What is superlative degree of comparison? The superlative degree is used to compare more than two things. यानी comparative में हम two things को compare करते और superlative में दो से ज़्यादा, more than two things. We compare more than two things here in superlative degree. In comparative, we compare only two things. And in positive degree, there is no comparison. Okay, there is no comparison. There will be only one object, one place, and one thing. Now, in superlative degree, we compare more than two things. See here, Aisha is the tallest girl. Here, we are comparing Aisha with all the other girls. Okay, she is the tallest one. Okay, we are comparing more than two. So, tallest is what? Tallest is superlative degree of comparison. Okay. Now, let's see some rules for degree of comparison. We add ER and EST to most positive degree that ends in consonant. Here, see, positive degree, bright. What we are doing? Here, bright is ending with T. T is a consonant. So, we are adding ER to comparative and EST to superlative degree. Superlative degree. Next one is cold. Here, see, cold. Cold word is ending with D consonant. So, we are adding ER to colder, to comparative, and it is becoming colder, and EST to superlative, and it is becoming coldest. So, cold is positive, colder is comparative, and coldest is superlative degree. Now, next rule is when the positive ends E. Okay, when the positive is ending in E, we add only R and EST to the adjective. Already it is ending with E, so we are adding only R and ST. See here, wise. It is ending with E, so we are adding only R. Wiser, wisest. For superlative, EST. Sorry, ST. Now next one, fine, finer, finest. Here, R and EST for comparative and superlative. Okay, if the positive is ending in E, we add only R and EST. Now next one is when the positive ends in consonant Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. See here, when the positive word is ending in I, we add only IER for comparative and IEST for superlative. We drop Y. Y को हटा देना है और IER लगा के comparative में लिखना है और IEST superlative में. Next one, when the positive is long, that is a word of two or more vowels, we add more or most before the adjective to form a comparative and superlative degree. Here, if a word is having more than two or more vowels, यानी एक वर्ड में अगर दो से ज़्यादा vowel है, see here, beautiful, BEAUTIFUL. Here, E is a vowel, A is a vowel, U is a vowel, I is a vowel. So again U is a vowel. See, more than two or more vowels are there. So what we will do here, we will add more for comparative and most for superlative degree. Now next, there are some adjectives that do not form comparative and superlative form for their positive. यानी हम positive degree से comparative और superlative degrees को भी लिख सकते, लेकिन थोड़े adjectives ऐसे रहते जो positive से form नहीं होते. They are called irregular degree of comparison. See here, good, better, best. These are what? Irregular adjectives. Bad, worse, worst. Okay. These are irregular adjectives and they do not form from their positive ones. We all understood, students? Complete your work on time. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.